Welcome to Best Pics Lab. The best Fujifilm Xpro3 is probably one of the most talked about cameras in recent years, and for good reason. It's a camera that's designed to evoke a sense of nostalgia, with its classic rangefinder styling and hidden LCD screen, but it's also packed with modern technology that makes it a joy to shoot with. In this video, we're going to dive deep into what makes the Xpro3 so special, and whether it's the right camera for you. Number 5. Fujifilm X100F Black. Introducing the Fujifilm X100F in sleek black. This camera combines timeless design with cutting-edge technology for stunning photography. Experience incredible detail with its 24.3 MP extra and CMOS 3 APS-C sensor. Paired with the X Processor Pro, it delivers exceptional image quality without a low-pass filter. Capture sharp images effortlessly with its enhanced autofocus system. It now offers up to 325 focus points, a significant upgrade from previous models. Enjoy a classic shooting experience with the built-in ISO dial integrated into the shutter speed dial. The 3.0-inch LCD monitor provides a clear view of your settings. Choose from various AF modes, including single, zone, and wide tracking, to suit any shooting scenario. Its compact design and new battery ensure you're always ready to capture the moment. Get incredibly close to your subject with a minimum focus distance of approximately 10 centimeters. This allows for detailed macro photography and creative close-ups. What we like. Experience the classic feel with a modern twist. If you appreciate tactile controls and a dedicated ISO dial, this camera offers a unique shooting experience. It's perfect for photographers who enjoy a more hands-on approach to capturing images. What people say. The Fujifilm Xpro3 is a fantastic camera for street photography, with its discreet design and excellent image quality. I love the retro styling of the Xpro3, and the hybrid viewfinder is a joy to use. The image stabilization is also a big plus. The autofocus on the Xpro3 is incredibly fast and accurate, even in low light conditions. The build quality is also top-notch. Number 4. Fujifilm Xpro3 Mirrorless Digital Camera. Experience an uninterrupted, true-to-life view with the optical viewfinder, or get a precise preview of your final image with the high-quality electronic viewfinder. Capture stunning detail with its 26.1 MP sensor, designed for maximum quality and dynamic range. Its unique color filter array ensures vibrant colors and sharp images. Crafted with a titanium body, it offers exceptional durability and a premium feel. Choose from classic black, silver, or charcoal finishes, all with scratch-resistant technology. Achieve breathtaking results straight from the camera with 16 distinct film simulation modes. Explore new creative possibilities with classic neg and monochromatic color. Stay focused on the moment with its hidden tilting touchscreen. A mini display shows essential settings, minimizing distractions and deepening your connection with your subject and art. Record-stunning video in DCI 4K resolution at various frame rates and bit rates. Capture your vision with cinematic quality. What we like. Embrace a minimalist and durable design. If you prioritize a premium build and a distraction-free shooting experience, this camera is for you. Its titanium construction and hidden screen encourage you to focus on the moment, making it ideal for street photographers and those who value timeless aesthetics. What people say. The Fujifilm Xpro3's hybrid viewfinder is a standout feature, offering both optical and electronic views. Its retro design is a major draw, with a durable titanium body and a hidden LCD screen that encourages more mindful shooting. The camera's film simulation modes are exceptional, providing beautiful JPEGs straight out of camera that require minimal editing. Number 3. Fujifilm X-E3 Mirrorless Camera Kit. Introducing the Fujifilm X-E3 Mirrorless Camera Kit in a sleek silver finish. Experience exceptional photography with its advanced sensor and processor. Its 24.3 MP APS-C extra and CMOS 3 sensor and X Processor Pro deliver outstanding color reproduction and tonal gradation. Capture breathtaking stills and videos with incredible detail. Navigate settings effortlessly with new touch function controls. Swipe up, down, left, or right to customize your shooting experience, even while you're using it. Achieve smooth, circular bokeh thanks to the 9-rounded blade aperture diaphragm and nano-GI coating technology. Create professional-looking portraits with pleasing background blur. This camera is designed for high-speed image processing, ensuring you never miss the perfect shot. Enjoy its impressive performance for all your creative endeavors. Despite its powerful features, it maintains a compact design. This kit provides everything you need to start capturing stunning images right away. What we like. Capture stunning images with a streamlined interface. If you're looking for a portable camera that doesn't compromise on image quality, this is a great choice. Its intuitive touch controls and excellent sensor make it perfect for everyday shooting and travel. What people say. The Fujifilm Xpro3's hybrid viewfinder is a standout feature, offering both optical and electronic views. Its retro design is a major draw, reminiscent of classic film cameras, and the build quality is excellent. The camera's film simulation modes are superb, providing beautiful JPEGs straight out of camera that require minimal editing. Number 2. Godox X3F TTL wireless flash trigger for Fuji. Experience exceptional clarity with its high-definition OLED touchscreen. This advanced display offers vibrant visuals and quick refresh rates for an enhanced shooting experience. Navigate effortlessly with its user-friendly interface. A simple swipe and tap give you access to all features, including TTL and sync modes, for complete creative control. Never miss a shot thanks to its fast-charging, built-in lithium battery. It recharges fully in just 2 hours via USB-C, ensuring you're always prepared. Mount it easily and securely with its durable hot shoe. Designed for stability and reliable performance, it's the perfect accessory for your setup. Take command of any situation with its versatile TCM feature. Instantly switch between automatic TTL accuracy and manual control to perfectly match your creative vision. What we like. Take full control of your lighting setup. If you need a reliable and user-friendly flash trigger, this is an excellent option. Its clear OLED screen and quick charging capabilities ensure you're always ready to capture the perfect shot, especially for event and portrait photographers. What people say. The Fujifilm Xpro3 is a fantastic camera for street photography, offering a discreet design and excellent image quality. The hybrid viewfinder is a standout feature, allowing for both optical and electronic viewing options. Its compact size and retro styling make it a joy to carry and use, reminiscent of classic film cameras. Number 1. Sony A7 III full-frame mirrorless camera. Experience breathtaking detail with its advanced 24.2 MP full-frame image sensor. It boasts an impressive 1.8x readout speed for exceptional performance. Capture incredible detail in any light with 15 stops of dynamic range and a wide ISO range from 50 to 204,800. It supports 14-bit uncompressed RAW for maximum flexibility. This camera is fully compatible with Sony's E-mount lenses, offering a vast array of creative options. Connect effortlessly with your smartphone via Bluetooth for easy sharing. Achieve up to 10 frames per second with its silent or mechanical shutter, all while maintaining continuous autofocus and exposure tracking. Enjoy extended shooting sessions with impressive battery life. Its sophisticated autofocus system features 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection AF points, covering 93% of the image area. This ensures sharp focus on your subjects, every time. Everything you need is in the box, including a rechargeable battery, AC adapter, and essential accessories. Start capturing professional quality images right away. What we like. Unlock professional level performance and versatility. If you demand exceptional image quality and robust autofocus, this camera is a top contender. Its full-frame sensor and extensive AF coverage make it ideal for a wide range of genres, from portraits to landscapes and action. What people say. The Fujifilm Xpro3 is a camera that is designed to be used, not just looked at. It has a hidden LCD screen that can only be accessed by flipping it down, which encourages you to shoot from the hip and use the viewfinder. The Xpro3 has a classic rangefinder-style design with a fixed LCD screen, which is a deliberate choice to encourage users to focus on shooting and composing their images. The camera's build quality is excellent, with a titanium body that is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. The controls are well placed and intuitive, making it a joy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.